Hello, and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to change the language on Netflix or the display language of your Netflix account. So to do this, you should open the Netflix website, not the application, the website. So you should enter to netflix.com on your web browser, on your phone. It can be Safari, Google Chrome, I don't know, whatever, like web browser. After that, click on the three lines on the top left of the screen, click on account. And after that, on the top list, choose profiles. And after that, go to your profile that you want to change the display language of it and go directly to languages. Click on them. And as you can see here, the first language is English. For example, for me, the display language is English, and you can choose whatever language you want for display. And you just need after that, after choosing all this, to go and click on the save button, and like that you will change the display language of your Netflix profile. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like this video and see you in the next one.